Welcome to Divine Halo, where ancient wisdom meets modern science, with the whole purpose of aligning you with the cosmic abundance. Today's topic is about the year 2026. 2026 is not just a new beginning, it's the year where the hidden structure of your life becomes visible to you. Most astrologers will tell you that 2026 is year number 1, new cycle, new start, new beginning. Yes, that is very much true. But what they don't tell you is that 2026 is also the year where the timelines collapse. The year where your karmic pattern, the one you've been repeating and holding on to for the last 9 or 18 years, finally becomes obvious to you. The year where whatever was secretly blocking you rises to the surface. If 24-25 was like emotional earthquakes, then 2026 is when the truth breaks the surface. Numerologically, 2026 is a universal year 1. If we look at numerology, 2026 is a universal year number 1. But here's the secret which many numerologists don't mention. A year 1 begins only after everything false has collapsed. Most people begin the year with confusion, chaos, or detachment. Why? Because your soul doesn't let you start a new cycle or get into a new cycle while you are holding on tightly into your old karmic luggage. And here's one very important thing. A year 1 is not lucky by itself. It is only lucky for people who have completed their karma, who are ready to accept the new change. So if you observe that the relationship has left you early in 2026, or there's been a job loss, or your identity feels empty, it's not bad luck. It's not that the 2026 year is not supporting you, but understand that this is a prerequisite to the alignment. Let's look at it from the astrological point of view. This year, Jupiter enters Cancer. That is the exalted position for Jupiter, the most powerful placement. Now, many of the astrologers often say that Jupiter in Cancer brings blessings. But the deeper truth is that Jupiter exalted brings blessings only after exposing your emotional wounds. And why is that so? Because Jupiter in Cancer activates the heart and karma axis. This means all of a sudden you will feel that motherly wounds are showing up on the surface, attachment patterns become visible to you, family karma rises, emotional addictions, they collapse, old coping mechanisms, they don't work for you anymore. Your true relationship nature shows up. This is the year when people, they will suddenly realize that, oh, this is why I'm attracted to certain people. Oh, this is why I fear intimacy. Or this is why I sabotage my relationships. This is why I keep overworking. So Jupiter doesn't bless you without teaching you the lessons. And its exaltation brings the most intense emotional purging and emotional lessons before the breakthrough really happens. Now let's talk about the hidden shadow cycle which is happening in 2026. There's also one planetary phenomenon which almost no one is talking about, and this is the Saturn shadow window of 2026. Saturn is in a very tightening karmic phase right now where unfinished responsibilities will resurface. Old mistakes will catch up with you. People will be forced to have accountability in life. Your ego will get real blows where, you will feel that the ego has literally collapsed on the floor. Your real character is exposed. So in 2026, people who have taken shortcuts, whether it is in the spirituality field or any other field like fake coaches, fake gurus, fake healers, they are going to experience very public karmic corrections. And the collective consciousness of the people becomes very allergic to the superficial spirituality. So this year actually demands being authentic. It destroys anything which is built on noise and just on the superficiality of things. So this year is going to separate the signal from the noise. And there's a peculiar energetic shift which is going to happen around June 2026. Every 12 years, when Jupiter purifies a water sign, a mass emotional awakening happens. And this time there's an additional twist where Rahu and Ketu are activating the identity nodes in the sky, meaning you may suddenly feel like you are no longer the person that you used to be. Career goals might shift overnight, relationships might take unexpected turns, spiritual gifts might start getting activated, and this is not just randomly happening because it is also a cosmic reset to align yourself. What is 2026 going to look like from the career point of view? 2026 is a new beginning, yes, but here is the uncomfortable truth about it, that people who resist the change and still cling onto the past will struggle the most. People who cling to old careers, they might feel invisible, unrecognized. People who fear visibility will experience stagnation of growth. So those of you into content creation, continue to do the great work. 2026 is going to reward careers like leaders, healers, educators, creators, truth speakers, authentic people, emotional intelligence, social impact work, women-led businesses, and most of the artificial ego-based ambitions. 2026 is gonna kind of not support it as much. But if you're doing an aligned work, then 2026 is going to multiply and magnify that kind of a work. Now, what is 2026 looking like for relationships? 2026 is the year of soulmate separation and soulmate reunion. What did I just say? Yes, both the phenomena are going to happen. Because if someone is very emotionally unavailable for you, 2026 is going to pull them away. And if someone is spiritually aligned, 2026 is going to bring them closer. This is the year where you will learn who truly belongs in your life and who should be given the space in your life. Because Jupiter in Cancer will not let you settle emotionally. It will expose any red flags instantly. It amplifies your intuition. So you will not be able to lie to yourself in this year. So this year is going to be all about authenticity and aligning yourself. Now, what is the year 2026 looking like for your health, mental and physical health? So this is the year when body will be doing a lot of talking. Because you might feel intense emotional purging, you may also experience things like random tears, vivid dreams, sudden memories from the past, physical releasing of the tension in your body. So there's not a breakdown of sorts, but this is like the recalibration of the body which is happening. So emotional healing accelerates when Jupiter is exalted because it activates the glymphatic brain detox at night. Your dreams become a healing portal and your intuition becomes sharper. Your inner child is finally feeling safe to be who it wants to be. And this is the year when you embrace it, when you accept it with open arms and let the energy support you and magnify your work. So what is 2026? It's not just a new year, but a new energetic architecture. This is the year where lies are going to collapse and the truth is going to become unavoidable. A year where your heart is going to lead and your soul is also going to listen. A year where you will rebuild yourself, not from a survival mode, but more from a wisdom and informed and aligned mode. Do tell me in the comments, what are you ready to begin in 2026? Because it is a really powerful year. And don't forget to subscribe because I will be sharing monthly 2026 energy updates here, which are based on Vedic and Astro insights and sacred longevity tools to help you make this your most aligned year yet.